Break it down.
What's up, everybody? It's that moron Jarrett here, and I am back with some more Skyrim. I know that's about all I'm uploading lately, but I don't know what else to upload. But now I know I said I'd go back to what's his face, but I forgot, and I literally just remembered right this second. So that's beautiful. But we're already here, so it doesn't really matter. That's really loud. Okay. So let's talk to this motherfucker right here. Oh wait, I thought it was Mercer Frey. I really don't like him.
On the street, his golden glow's been hit. Good job. Let me take a look at what you found.
All right. Well, there's your shit.
Golden glow. What's that idiot thinking?
I don't know. He's probably a dumbass.
He has no idea the extent of Maven's fury when she's been cut out of a deal, but I'm certain he'll find out.
She'll probably kick his ass.
Had the buyer's name instead of this odd symbol. Any idea what that might be?
An asshole?
Blast. Well, I'll check my sources and speak to Mercer. But for now, you're off to speak to Maven Black. Don't sound so eager. It's not a social visit. It's business. That's between you.
Well then.
Don't worry about it.
It's business.
Keep doing right by us. And there's plenty more where that came from.
Well then. I like the sound of that. And also, I don't think I'll actually finish this quest line because, well, I like the skeleton key, and I'm not sure if you actually get to keep it or not. Well, considering I hit Golden Glow and Vex couldn't, you can fuck up. Am I going this way? Oh well. I'm already gone this far. I might as well just go up through here. Holy shit, I forgot Bob the Giant was there. Bob, please don't hurt me. By the way, I forgot to mention I got the Kukri of the Foregoer, or as I like to call it, Kukri of the Foreskin. Because that's how you get rid of your foreskin. This thing right here. Alright. Yeah, doctors use a kukri to circumcise you, and it's that one, and I made it, so yeah.
Buying and selling fine jewelry here.
Fuck off.
You look like you could use a drink. What do you say to some?
Cheap meat? I see you're a cheap ass. Ah, she's thieves guild.
Looking for work? I need someone to deliver a message to Sibby Blackbride.
Well, considering they're in the city, you are a lazy asshole. So no. No, wrong way.
I don't have any business with you, so get out of my face.
Certainly we can come to some sort of an
Okay, where's she?
understanding.
Oh, she's right here.
People must be made aware of the chaos.
So you're the one.
Oh, that's because you haven't seen me.
You don't look. You're a fuck. It's about time Brynjolf sent me someone with business sense. I was beginning to think he was running some sort of beggars guild over
That's a
there.
good thing. You have more faith than me.
I don't have faith in anyone.
Well, shit.
All I care about is cause and effect. Did the job get done, and was it done correctly? There's no gray. Head to the Bannered Mare in Whiterun and look for Malus Marcius. He'll fill you in on all the details.
Alright, well, we get to go back to Whiterun. I like this. Whiterun's my favorite place. Hold up, how much money do we have? Always click escape, then the other one, then the other one. Alright. Well, we need to sell some stuff. Then how do I get back up? Are you fucking serious? You. Come on. There we go. Parker! Parker! Alright, let's teleport to Whiterun. Fast travel. Never mind, it's fast travel. Oh, I need to go to the Bannered Mare, I forgot. What the fuck are you guys doing here? Kayla, Atba, Marandro, Risad.
Perhaps you have encountered Madra. Take a look.
Alright, what I need is to sell my shit. We don't really need the orcish dagger anymore, do we? North, though, or the steel dagger. We need the orcish arrows. So we sell the iron ones. Sell the ancient Nord bow. Copper knock, circlet, and clothes. Don't need those. I do need those. I might need that in the future. Potion of resist cold. I'm kind of thinking about that. I need to sell 9 of those. Right, books, Spelltome Sparks. We don't need that. A bee in a jar. Why do we need a bee in a jar? Console gem, Crundium ingot, Dragon bone. Okay, we're just trying to get 5,000 so we can buy a house. Alright.
May your road lead you to walls.
Let's go to Whiterun. Or sprint. Or sprint. There's sprint. I still need to reroute that to shift. I'm too lazy. Wrong button. As you can see, the foliage is still here. Forgot about that. Let's go in Whiterun. So, I'm level 9 and there's smoke in the black background. Okay. I swear if he talks to me.
We're looking for someone in white. A woman. A
Fuck
foreigner.
you.
She's likely not using them. We are not welcome here in Whiterun. So we will be in Rorik's to learn anything.
Fuck you. I don't want to help you.
We have news of our foreigner.
Okay, you are the drunken huntsman. That's gonna be our house, by the way. I've downloaded a few. What?
Maybe some other time.
No, 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 no. Oh, God. Oh. Oh my God.
Welcome. Let me know if you want anything.
Oh my God.
Got a clean mug around here somewhere?
I like
I
you.
enjoy this work well enough, but I'm ready to retire. I've been thinking of selling the Intrisolda. Anyway, what do you need?
He is the guy that should be Dragonborn.
Skyrim. You're in the right place.
Alright, now I don't know who I'm looking for. This is the Red Guard woman they were talking about.
Can't a man drink in peace? I'm gonna keep this short.
He should have a,
Haunting Brew's own
a
Sabyon is about to hold a tasting for Whiterun's captain of the
a
guard.
voice that kind of reminds you of Gollum. Gollum.
No, the meadery has quite a
Precious. Precious.
poison.
Yeah.
Mead don't mix. He's going to give you the poison to you.
Good.
Now get
Good.
going
Fuck you.
before Sabyon grows a brain and hires someone else to do the dirty work.
Now there's guys down here that are hard to beat, so let's just do that. Pelagia Farm. Pelagia. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. I wonder what happens if you put all the dragon masks there, because I've been to that place, but I can't really put the dragon masks there. Alright. Sprinta! Wow, my hands are in such a weird position on my keyboard. I feel like I have a dog's paw. Yawned so much in the last video. Let's hope I don't do this today. Oh no, I already feel another one coming on. No. I will hold my breath. I will not yawn.
What are you gawking at? Are you kidding? I'm supposed to be holding it if he sees the meadery in this state.
I will not
And I don't suppose you
yawn.
just do it out of the kind. I hope you're not expecting to get paid until the job's done. Well, that's not how I operate.
Ha
Here's
ha ha
my
ha
only
ha.
demand is that these vermin are permanently eliminated before I bought. If you plant this in the vermin's,
We've
don't
got a
come
deal.
back until every one of those things are dead. Take a look.
Alright. Oh, we've got enough to buy a house. Fuck yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So let's do this. Kukri of the foreskin, go! Oh shit! I actually need to put healing on. No. Hate that. I need to put the foreskin back on. I'm gonna rename that to the Kukri of the foreskin. And you can't stop me. I'm gonna save my level up for this mage guy. Oh god, spiders! No, no, god, no, god, no, please, no, not the spiders. It looks scared of me. Well, at least it's dead now. I hate spiders. Alright. Okay, where do I gotta go? Okay, there. Okay, let's, I know I've been talking, but I've been focused. Let's get one-handed up in here. 40% more damage. 60% more damage. Okay, let's beat this guy. Oh! 420 swag scoped. Bitch! Circlet of illusion. Potion of healing, ooh. That's nice. Potion of healing. Potion of healing. 3 thieves. Actually, that... yeah. There we go. Let's unlock it. Alright. I'd be embarrassed if I broke a lockpick on that. Oh my god. There we go. Nest. Use alchemy lab. I don't want to do that. I thought I had to go in there. No, it's right here. Alright, let's go in here, beat everything in here. Okay, I think we're through. That's actually, I thought this mission was a lot longer. At least I got Lydia to help me. Alright, hold up. I want to do this. Just so I can seem sneaky. After all, I am a thief. Okay. Oh, the key's right there. Well, why did they just add a key? That's Deus Ex Machina. That's Skyrim Ex Machina. I don't know if it's Deus Ex Machina, but it's Skyrim Ex Machina. I know that.
I can't wait to see. Was something we discussed
Job's finished.
Time. I had to. You'll just have to wait until after the captain's finished. I suppose you can wait around if you must. I haven't heard even a scratch at the door. Have you done it? Please hurry. Captain of the guard isn't patient when it comes to tasting time.
No, I don't want to do that. I want to put up my weapon.
The captain of the guard isn't patient when it comes to tasting time.
Now that you've taken care of your little pest problem, how about I get a taste of some of your meat?
Sit down for this.
It's my finest brew yet. I call it Honey Brewer's Nerve. I think you'll find it.
Well, that's creative.
Oh, come now. This is mead, not some wine to be sipped and savored.
Come on, come on.
By the 8. What's in this?
I don't know. What's wrong?
You assured me this place was clean. I'll see to it that you remain in irons for the rest of your days.
Please, I don't understand.
Silence, idiot. I should have known better to trust this place after it's been riddled with filth.
I beg you, please. This is not what it seems.
You're in charge here until I can sort this all out. And you,
alright then.
You're coming with me to Dragon.
I can't wait to see Savion squirm.
Clears the city's prisons. Now, move.
Something wrong?
This is all just a huge misunderstanding.
I said, move.
Farewell, Savion.
Well, I'm going to. Wait. Can I go? No, I can't. I gotta talk to Malice. After this, we're going to buy a house. And I'll go back to Riften. Actually, I'll just buy a house and get to the house and stuff.
Anything else you need before? You're welcome to.
Oh, so I do need to stay here.
I thought it would be better to leave some of them. Besides, you've done Maven a favor getting rid of him. And saved me from wasting coin.
Alright.
Someone else to do it.
Well, this is how you get upstairs, I think. Yep. And I get something here that you can give to Devin Mallory. Don't even need to. Alright, what are those? Fine boots? Fuck that. Alright, steal from Sabion's dresser. We need a promissory note and 3 gold. Alright, but something in here or in there. Fuck. Nope. Fuck. Alright. Nope. Perfect. Alright. We need to steal these silver ingot, silver necklace, honey brew decanter. It's empty. And report disaster at Ionith. Move. Ha. You didn't block me in this time, Lydia. Thief of virtue. Damn it. Damn it. I wanted something else. Is there something in here? Actually, there's nothing. That's disappointing. Alright. So over here. We need to leave. I'm gonna buy a house, and next episode, hopefully I'll get a wife. Alright, let's fast travel to Dragon's Reach. And, oh, that black screen. I'm level 10. Well, damn. Alright, guys, I'll let you see the house before I leave off. But first I gotta find that asshole that helps that asshole.
Here to lick my father's boots. Good job.
I really want to kill you, kid, but that would make this an adult-only game. Like hatred, and I don't like hatred. Now, where's Aventus Avenici? No, but no, seriously, where is he? Guess I gotta wait.
Another wanderer here to lick my father's boots.
Alright, we'll wait. Shit, wrong. Okay, let's wait 9 hours. That was not effective. Never mind.
The Jarl is, as you can imagine,
I'd like to purchase a house in
There's a
the
house
city.
available right now.
I'll take it.
Wonderful. Here's the key to your new home.
I would like to decorate my
And of
home.
course, now, what would you like to purchase?
I really want bedroom
Very well.
furnishings.
Is there anything else you'd like to purchase? I'm sorry, but you don't seem to have enough gold to pay for that.
Well, we'll do that later. But I think I have some Breeze Home mods installed. We'll see in just a second, won't we? Ooh, I love not being able to kill Heimsker because he's not there. I think we should marry Isolde. I don't remember what he's from, but he's from something. Adrian Avenici. Alright, here's our house. Fuck yeah. Oh, it's so barren. Gonna have to save up some stuff to help fix that. Yeah, I was right. I have the basement mod installed. Damn, this is awesome. Is there anything in there? Nah. Some gold there. Alright. Well, there's the downstairs. And here's the upstairs. I got bedroom furnishings, so that can be awesome. Actually, I think I'll marry Lydia. Then again, Isolde starts a store. Money over women. Alright, well actually, let's go back to Breeze Home. Alright guys, I'll leave it off there. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Dick slap the like and subscribe button. Have a good poop. Peace out.